Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. In this video, we will introduce about our innovation project, which is the 3D pop-up, which focuses on food security, pollution, and sustainable education. The target group for our project is the kindergarten student, where the sustainable education should be taught since a young age. However, sustainable education can be seen as a complicated education for the kids to understand. So, we come out with the idea of pop-up where we help them to understand and eager to learn about the sustainability. In our pop-up book, we have an interactive element where we explain about the processes of palm oil. It will help them to be more understand and it can be raise their awareness about sustainability. That is L2L.
There are three objectives for this product. So the first one is the interactive engagement. To utilize 3D interaction elements such as pop-ups, flaps, pull tabs to capture kindergarten students' attention and foster active learning environment. Secondly is foundational sustainability. To introduce the palm oil production cycle and environmental challenge such as emission and waste through age-appropriate non-threatening visual. Lastly is nutritional literacy. To promote the utilization pillar of food security by teaching children the importance of a balanced diet and moderate consumption of palm oil.
Next, the problem statement sections. The first one is short attention span and development limitation among children under 7. These are critical stages of social, emotional, and cognitive development. However, they naturally have short attention span and require engaging learning environment to stay focused and interested. Secondly, ineffective and less engaging teaching strategies reduce learning engagement and comprehension. As a result, young learners often lose concentration, leading to low engagement and reduced understanding during lessons. Lastly, problem will negatively impact to the learning outcome at the local level and global levels. Alright, so as a result, children lost concentration to show a lower understanding and their motivation to learn in the class. So research shows that the poor attention among young learners negatively affect early learning outcome, highlight the need for more engaging teaching and also the approach. Alright?
L2L The Earths is designed to provide early environmental exposure to kindergarten children by introducing them to nature, the cycle of nature, and environmental awareness, specifically through the context of palm oil plantation activities. This product also helps children maintain focus consistently during learning, which is very important in early childhood education. L2L The Earths is a 3D pop-up book consisting of 6 pages where 3 different situations in each situation presented across 2 pages. Two imaginative yet realistic situations, the book explains what happened in a palm oil plantation, what creatures live there, and how plantation activities affect the environment. Since the most children are more familiar with paddy fields rather than palm oil plantations, this book introduces a new knowledge in a fun, engaging, and visually attractive using a 3D pop-up elements. The first situation shows the harvesting process in the plantation. It illustrates workers harvesting all palm fruits bunches using suitable tools. Animals such as snakes, eagles, and rats are included to show that plantations are part of a natural ecosystem. This situation is related to SDG 15 Life Online and SDG 13 Climate Action. For this section, the book uses a sliding interactive feature. The palm fruit bunch is initially shown attached to the tree and the children are guided to slide the fruit bunch downward to represent the harvesting process. This helps children to understand how harvesting happens in a simple and hands-on way. The second situation focuses on the transportation process. It shows how palm oil are collected and prepared before being transported to the factory. This situation is linked to SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. In this part, the book includes a pull feature. Palm fruits are first shown inside a basket, and the children can pull the basket toward the lorry before the transportation. This helps children understand the sequence of activity from harvesting of the transportation. The third situation shows that the production of palm oil in the factory involving heavy machinery that compresses palm fruits. It also explains environmental and health impacts if emission and waste are not properly managed. The situation is related to SDG 8, SDG 9, SDG 11, SDG 12, and SDG 17. Overall, these interactive features such as sliding and pull methods promotes active learning, improve fine motor skills, and help children understand complex processes in a more meaningful way. For the commercialization of L2L The Earth, the product focuses on educational value while targeting suitable market segments. The primary target market is parents with kindergarten-aged children, as parents are the main decision makers in selecting early learning materials. To reach this group effectively, the product can be marketed through online platforms such as TikTok Shop and Shopee, which are widely used in Malaysia. Short promotional videos and live sessions can demonstrate the 3D pop-up effects and QR code cartoon animations, which can make the learning benefits clear and attractive. In addition to online sales, L2L The Earth can also be sold directly to kindergartens and early childhood education centers as a teaching aid. Teachers can use the pop-up book for storytelling, visual learning, and environmental education. Offering the product in bulk or educational package makes it more suitable for classroom use and strengthens its credibility as an educational resource. Overall, combining online marketing and institutional sales, L2L The Earth has strong potential to be commercialized as an engaging educational product that promotes environmental awareness and sustainability among young children.
The material used for this product. This book is used A3 glossy paper with 250 GSM, which is strong to support the pop-up, the sliding and pull mechanism while remaining the flexibility. This cover is made using hand cover material to ensure the durability and safe handling for the kindergarten children.
For the novelty parts, this book have 3 different QR codes which explains the real situation for each situation. This QR have a puzzle match in which the reader must solve the puzzle and they can scan the QR code so that the video will appear.
Conclusion, this L2L The Earth pop-up book has used interactive, visual and creative teaching technique that will overcome the problem of kindergarten lack of focus. By using this book, it will help the kindergarten student to enhance their concentration, their environmental knowledge and sustainability thinking at a young age. That's all from our group. Thank you.